There. Hold on. There.
You didn't warn us about that.
Welcome to Mr. and Mrs.
Alright, so today we're going to Geneva, Florida, I think it's called. Somebody asked me if I was going to Europe when I told them. I'm like, no, Florida. But we're gonna be checking out this dope Airbnb today, like a treehouse Airbnb. So for those of you that don't know, we run VANTIIJ, which is a site where we handpick the best Airbnbs from around the world and then we show them to you. So put the link below for that. Make sure you guys check that out. But yeah, so we're on the way to Geneva to check that Airbnb out. So it's like I think like 30-40 minutes away from Orlando, where we're at right now. Literally in the middle of nothing.
I was just thinking that too.
Oh my gosh, where they got us coming out to? Freaking safari.
Strictly coming for the experience, because there ain't nothing to do out
I
here.
can't even imagine living out here. Damn, look at that. Oh, I think that was
that it? No.
I think it might have been actually.
So we gotta turn. Whoa!
Whoa, kids, pray for us.
Don't try this at home.
It says it's Danville. That's it. So oh, this is the street. What's the address? 232? 232.
There we go. We're here.
Alright. Smile, you're on camera.
Alright, let's check it out.
Alright, so we're out here. This is actually a like a wedding venue, but they also have the Airbnb out here. Just gotta text her, figure out where she's at. Alrighty, maybe I guess we just ask someone. So we gotta go through here.
Yes. There. Hold on. There.
You didn't warn us about that.
Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. such and such, and the door opens.
Wow, that's crazy.
Smoke machine, light, sound, all integrated. So the DJ just plugs in with his laptop, and it's good to go. Oh my gosh.
Wow, that's crazy.
I really like that.
Yeah, that's cool. That's crazy.
So this is Danville. That's what we call it. The owner's name is Dan Shaw, and so it gets to be Danville. So
That's so cool. How long has this been here?
we have done events and stuff for 7 years.
Wow, this is so cool.
So then basically your whole party takes place in here. You have the dance floor, you have the light, sound, everything's all integrated there, and then you have tables and chairs set up under the tents.
Wow.
And this is the owner, Mr. Shaw, or Dan.
How you doing,
the
sir?
mayor of Danville. Hello. So,
I'm Dan.
I'm Lauren.
D, yep.
Lauren.
Lori, nice to meet you, Lori.
You too. I don't know how much time you have, but I'll take you through all the venues if you want. We don't have anybody in anything.
Not as much time as you have.
So. Oh.
Yeah, this is awesome.
We had the caterer who works next door make us lunch today, so that was nice.
Very. You're welcome. I don't know what I did, but.
So, and this is the patio area, and where they have weddings, their cocktail hour, things like that. That the bride can actually stay all weekend. So they come on Friday and they stay all day Friday night, all day Saturday, and then they check out on Sunday. So that eliminates a lot of them running around.
And they use this. They use this space right here.
Yes, yeah, they stay in here. We have a bedroom down here with a Murphy bed.
Wow.
And this is generally where the groom and the groomsmen will get ready.
Do most people take advantage of that? Like, will they'll stay?
That's what most of our weddings, especially September through May, are the weekend events.
And they're people that live in Florida, or are they coming from out?
From all over, generally from Florida though. So this is Master Suite. Master Suite.
Oh, wow. Plenty of room. I'm gonna get ready and stuff in here.
Yes, yeah.
Wow.
Whoa. You can have your view
It's a
from the
little
balcony
view.
of Danville.
Do people come up here like when they have the ceremony and stuff?
Yeah, they'll do like a bouquet toss, a garter toss from here.
Just wave to everyone.
Yeah. Makes great pictures because you have all your guests on the dance floor dancing. And they'll do like a stop motion with the bride and groom looking down on everybody. It's really, really cool pictures. Movie theater room.
Oh, wow.
That's so neat.
Yeah, it really is, right? Very
And they
different.
can just use this
Mm-hmm.
while they stay.
Yeah. So let me grab my phone and my sunglasses and I'll take you in the golf cart to see
Alrighty.
the other venues. Yeah.
This is crazy, right?
Yes. So nice.
It's like, who would have thought all this stuff was in here? And that it raised up like that.
We have 2 resident alpacas that live.
You said there's alpacas out here?
Yep.
I don't think I've ever seen an alpaca like, in person. Maybe at the zoo, possibly.
Yep, just hanging out.
What do you feed them?
There's actually like alpaca food.
Starbursts and stuff?
Starburst. Actually alpaca food, and so.
Right, they look like they just like chew gum and stuff all day. Candy. Watch out, your step right there.
Whoa, so this is the yurt. Jessica's
Wow.
just cleaning.
So this is one of the another
Yes,
Airbnb
another
too?
Airbnb stay.
Yeah, this is cool.
Has the murky bed pulls down out of the wall right behind you here.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool how that folds out there like that. And you said this one's called the Murphy? I don't know if I saw it.
The yurt.
Oh, the yurt.
This is what they call a Murphy bed.
Oh,
the beds
okay,
that
that's
fold
what I
down
thought,
out of the
okay.
wall. Yeah, so this is our yurt.
Yes, very cool. Very, very. The wine over here.
They get to sit back here in the fire pit and hang out with the alpacas at night. So. Look at that lake. There's a total of 30 altogether. So this is the man cave.
Thank you, surprising us with every stop. I didn't know all this stuff was even out here.
So we have segways for guests. We have electric bicycles for guests. Golf carts, like I said.
What's up with all the planes? Is that something that he's just into?
The owner
or-
flies.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah, and everybody who lives on the airstrip has some sort of plane or gyrocopter or something. So you never know what you're gonna see taking off. So here's
Wow.
the man cave.
So somebody can. Is this another Airbnb too, or no?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Wow.
It's like a bar area. That's so dope.
Yeah, this is nice.
So he's retired, had owned a business for years.
What kind of business was it?
He owned Hero Plumbing
Oh, wow.
in Orlando.
That's where he stays right there?
That's where Dan lives with his wife. That's his house. Yeah. And that's a chicken coop.
Wow.
Whatever he can sell.
So cool.
That was actually a tree that fell down from hurricane.
Nothing goes to waste. Outdoor shower. It's cool. Wait, say that one more time?
It's the outside compartment of a
Oh, this?
DC-10
Oh, wow.
engine. Yeah,
And you turn that into the...
into a hot tub. Yeah.
Elevator?
Elevator.
Preparing for that zombie apocalypse.
So we have a crow's nest up there. You can go up there and hang out. There's a swing. There's a table.
Little swing up here. This is a cool view. This is cool. Oh, and then you also have a shower right here?
Yes. Yeah. For those of us who wouldn't want to take a shower outside, which that would be me.
Is this another part of something?
Those are 2 galvanized feeding troughs. One upside down and one right side up.
Dang, this is cool. Cool little toilet too.
Oh yeah, we're one of the only tree houses you'll find that actually has indoor plumbing.
This is very nice in here. So it's like best of both worlds, kind of like if you want to just be out in the nature, you can, or you can come in here. But this is very unique type of stuff we look for.
Do you like treehouse?
Everything. Everything, yeah.
So are you professional blogger? Who is the blogger?
Both of us, vloggers. So we have VANTIIJ, which is the Airbnb website. So basically what we do is we find some of the most unique Airbnbs around the world.
Oh,
On the site we do, yeah.
Talking to you.
Uh-huh. So that's why what we want to do
How
while...
close are we?
You said what?
How close are we
To what?
to the most unique around the world?
Oh,
Up there for
Very
sure.
close.
Very for sure. Alright, so we're wrapping that up. This is cool, man. So the way that I guess you would think of it as like the garage, how it lifts up, it's because that used to be like a hangar. And so that's where he would put his planes. But yeah, initially we had just found the tree house that we looked at. We didn't even know that they had any of this other stuff, and they let me know that it's like a wedding venue that they have out here. So I'm like, all right, we'll come out here, check it out. Definitely didn't expect this, so that's kind of why we like doing what we do, where we find all these cool and unique places. This is, if you're ever visiting Orlando, visiting Florida, this is definitely a spot that you gotta check out. Oh man, we're back. That was a dope spot though. Right? You liked it?
Yes.
It was a good find. Lauren found that place actually, so you get the credits. Your reward will be in heaven. But that's what we're about here, finding those dope spots. So let us know if you guys like that place, if you think that was a cool place you would go. If you come to Florida, if you come to Orlando, I would definitely recommend that place. So check it out, let us know what you thought, and then make sure to follow us, that way you guys can see our future Airbnbs that we're finding. What's she laughing about? You didn't like my outro?
you're a mess.
See y'all on the next one.